हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम देखने वाले हैं महाराष्ट्र में जो 26 सितंबर को सेट की एग्ज़ाम कंडक्ट की गई थी उसके बारे में। तो ये एक एक्सपेक्टेड आंसर की है। तो चलिए देखते हैं उसके बारे में। तो आप लोगों के लिए बता दूं कि मेरे पास जो क्वेश्चन सेट है वो बी है। तो विदाउट एनी डिले चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। First question is a assertion and reason. Information literacy is the process of knowing when and why information is required, where to find it, and how to evaluate, use, and communicate it in an ethical way. Reason is information literacy is the ability to use a computer and its software to accomplish practical tasks. So I think इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए। Recent advances in information and communication technology and its utility have forced the university libraries to provide computerized information services. UGC does not provide any financial assistance to university libraries for computerization. Option number A. Library and information services are crucial for meeting learning needs of the masses. And reason is state policy for public library and information services is essential. So option number D is correct. Intuit is a option number C is correct. The frequency of guide to Indian periodical literature is a option number C, quarterly. What is geographical reference source globe? Option number A. INSTEC, a bibliographical database, deals with option number C. Theses are dash dash types of documents. Option number A. Dash dash are the examples of deep web. Option number D. Match the following books in print: The Statements Yearbook, Ulrich International Periodicals Directory, and Encarta Encyclopedia. So option number D is correct. Primary sources provide authentic information for research, and reason is information in primary sources is highly unorganized. So option number A is true. Sorry, B. Arrange the following in the chronological order their first year of publication. So option number B is correct. Arrange the following services in evaluationary sequence. So option number D is correct. Guidelines for implementing and maintaining virtual reference services is prepared by option number B. Who is called as the father of reference service? Option number A. Which of the following information products are based on review type of library services? Option number D. Which of the following are alerting services? So option number um, option number C. CS is a speedy announcement of newly acquired information or documents. SDI is a CS which alerts users to latest publication in specific fields. Option number D. Indian libraries are making optimum use of social networking, and social networking has wider role in dissemination of information. Option number A. Fact-finding information can be easily obtained using handbooks, directories, dictionaries, etc. A comprehensive literature search can also be conducted using fact-finding sources. Option number B. मैच द फॉलोइंग 21 का आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर सी. अगेन मैच द फॉलोइंग कैप्स, वर्ल्ड शेयर, डॉकलाइन एंड BLDSS. सो ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज करेक्ट. अगेन मैच द फॉलोइंग यूजर एजुकेशन, इंफॉर्मेशन रिपैकेजिंग, ट्रांसलेशन, इंडेक्सिंग. सो ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज करेक्ट. Following are the web scale discovery tools. Option number D is correct. Again, match the following: Twitter, Wikipedia, RSS feeds, podcast. Option number B is correct. Which among the following is free audiobooks? Option number C, LibriVox. Which agency developed EZ proxy software for remote authentication for users accessing e-resources? Option number A. Who founded Geostar in the year 1995? William G. Bond. Select the right chronological sequence of the following information system as per their year of establishment. So I think option number B is correct. वैसे तो मुझे सारे ऑप्शंस रॉन्ग लग रहे हैं, लेकिन फिर भी ऑथेंटिक B दिख रहा है, लेकिन प्रॉपर एक भी सीक्वेंस नहीं मिल रहा है. InflipNet hosts the Shodhganga thesis repository. InflipNet is an inter-university centers for UGC. Both are true. Web-scale discovery services provides a single interface to search all resources of the library. It brings results from all databases all over world. Option number B. Yes, option number B is correct. The subject nanotechnology is an example of how knowledge grows by. It's a fusion. Option number A. Which of the following catalog codes is based on ICCP? So इसका मुझे करेक्ट आंसर नहीं मिला है. अगर आपको मिले तो प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करें. Cataloging of web documents can be done by using doubling core. Option number C. The class number for the basic subject geology in colon classification is option number B. While classifying documents by any scheme of classification, we use option number D. Pre-coordinate indexing system is option number C. Which of the following ISBD are formats? Option number C. Arrange the following forms applying the principles of canonical sequence of the basic subjects is option number A. Arrange the facets in logical order. Option number D. Match the following: Peekaboo, Unitum indexing, chain indexing, and Coq. Option number B. Facetization and the scheduling of deeper mnemonics which are left unscheduled need to be more objective. The more this work evolves, the more effectively will classifying begin the function as an international languages for the exact expenditure services. Option number C. AACR2, in case edited books, the main entry is given under title because editor is not an author. So option number C is correct. DDC follows 7 years revision cycle. The universe of knowledge is dynamically growing. Option number A. The management principle scalar chain shows. Option number A. The term bespeaking the reservation of books is used by Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. Option C. LibCol Plus is tool for measuring library services quality is developed by. Option number B. Dash is not part of TQM. Option number A. Who defined quality as fitness for use? It's option number D. Knowledge management is the process of creating knowledge assets, tools like taxonomics and use for libraries management. ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट. तो अगेन मैं आपको रिमाइंड कर देती हूँ कि ये एक एक्सपेक्टेड आंसर की है. अगर सही लगे तो प्लीज़ सही है, अगर कुछ रॉन्ग लगे तो उसे भी मुझे रिकरेक्ट करना. तो आज के लिए इतना ही. कल हम इसी वीडियो का सेकेंड पार्ट देखेंगे. तो मिलते हैं कल की वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए गुड डे.